Hey guys, Andy Farmer, MarineMax, Wrightsville Beach. Want to do a quick video on this Boston Whaler 170 Montauk, year model 2023. This boat's equipped with the bow rails. They're split up at the front, so it's easy to get on and off the boat when you beach up or pull up to the sandbar. I've got the sun pad cushions forward, storage underneath, and two separate lockers. Got carry-on cooler with cushions and backrest here, rod holders, battery switch inside of the console. Also in there's a full boat cover and the canvas cover for the console and this flip seat. Got aft bench seats, Mercury 115, storage underneath that seat. Nice electronics package, VHF radio, JL audio, stereo, and the Simrad chart plotter, depth sounder. Really nice boat, guys. It's clean, shows well. It's bottom painted. Bottom paint was just touched up and looks good. Bim top. Nice clean whaler. Give us a call, 910-264-4818 if you got any questions. Andy Farmer, MarineMax, Wrightsville Beach, 910-264-4818. Thanks. Have a great day.